No, I think it's historical that we form an arrangement with Atlas and TKMS, and we will be the sole provider of the combat system to TKMS. And this will be an effort that will continue for more than 30 years going forward, and that is historical. And I estimate this to be more than 15 billion Norwegian kroner in revenue stream for the next decades.
So it is important for everybody to understand that our teaming agreement is not bound to the project between Norway and Germany now, but it really goes beyond. So when we discussed and negotiated, we really discussed projects that come beyond Norway, beyond Germany, and that's why it is true to say we're talking about the cooperation in decades rather than for the next 5 to 10 years.
Well, this is one example, and maybe one of the best examples, that European countries can also go together and purchase identical platforms, which of course is important for synergy. It's important for running things more cost efficient, and it's a very good example of what we in NATO call a framework nation concept, where nations go together and actually do the same thing, avoiding having too many different platforms. So it's cost effective, it creates synergies, and it's a smart way of spending money.
Can you compare this teaming agreement with other agreements that Kongsberg has entered?
Yes, I think it's very similar to what we did, for instance, with Raytheon back in 1995, where we teamed up with Raytheon and for the air defense system NASAMS. We have sold for more than 13 billion Norwegian kroner so far, and we still continue to sell NASAMS. So it's very similar to that perspective.